Ebusuya be kan papa no me be ye video bi sa video we sa me na dollar no 11 cedis 45 pesos less than 5 hours dollar now call 11 cedis 75 pesos. Hey, hit dollar need journey me say Ato is now flopping. Ato is flopping. Petrol so kosro Monday eyezu munya nhwehwe ebusuya eyezu me no ka say the dollar no say ya ne say 825 anopa no na dollar no 11 cedis 45 pesos enwumbre ya me no ka say no ajampia ko 11 cedis 75 pesos me say since IMF for be can say ya no for njai say omo pump dollar into the system the forex no dollar no has been on the rise dollar no kwa na chese busuya ekosoro na ebusuya media no so she bia obefe bia no amanfo ebi mani age emusoro awo sane ago ne sitia ne de de ya obi mani beje emusoro rebewo me no ka say so no omo a omo hwe ye fango adwumadi yeso oil marketing company there beto abantwen say Dami adoma prices of petrol, diesel and LPG increased by petrol bekoso 5.40%, petrol bekoso 5.40%, diesel 3.39%, diesel 3.39%, and afi LPG and as a friend say gas no and so bekoso 4.47% per liter starting adoma September 1st 2025 that is Monday ebe ya no na started and until some Monday oko na say catch us ya to petrol mu a e ma na nwanwa. This is going to be the new price oko a obehu ewo honom. Now old price petrol go filling station no na 12 cedis 88 this year no e got 13 cedis 57 that is increase of 5.4 diesel na 1413 eco 1478 that is plus 3.39%. Now LPG liquid petroleum gas LPG liquid petroleum gas na 14.5 kg no na 260 see econo ebeko 271.62 that is increase of plus 4.47%. And it's a near catch that was say ya to gas, ya to petrol, ya to diesel more. Na $1 no akosro any in yama prices are ekosro. And notice how can I'm not tomboko, Jane in toast by when catch was a money price no akosra. Mr. Menino in the Chinese century biano, drivers phone so Petrol film Busuya, Ghana, I had the Busuya, Bibiano, I come after the amount for say all of a sudden Ato is not forcing, but Ato is rather flopping. Ato is not forcing, but Ato is rather flopping. Now we and a man can tell you no so there. If mo say Andrew by a year December year, that dollar and 30 cedis. If mo say Andrew by December, that dollar and 40 cedis. Once so Odin say Andrew December no, that dollar no, and I'm saying the catch that will say ye for propaganda and intro any nada in buo mine. It's not so intro propaganda and nada buo mine. The exchange rate will expose you. A man Dr. Bomia can say when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. No, ne mre samre ne no kre no kre ndra no kre ne no kre da chenso. Now the dollar rate, petrol, and diesel prices na air cost no has exposed the NDC say indeed and in fact na the IMF can say omo pump dollar into the system to make omo followers any gullible Ghanaians no adwin from no to believe that they were doing something, but in real terms and in real life they were not doing anything. Believed they were doing something, but we were telling Ghanaians that we know these people and we know how they can lie their way to power, the way they can manipulate things and make things look like they are doing something. We want you people you people should be very, very watchful, because what these people are doing, they are manipulating the system and it's going to affect our economy. But people were like, oh, some judge, the dollar is now rising. You see the DSTV people, them get sense pounds times what 3,000 times. The toast I'm doing, massa. We know feel you do something because you people you be scammers. You be scammers. So come you do so ya. One say nka sanjo jaya mo for 19. DSTV. Abom sama mama. The film of him no DSTV. The film of him no. Come te so a come boka. Na mo driver for na. O ma sa we mo dada mo tape. Lawyer first so no. Me person man dey come say GP out to you for e be ka say be to petrol e be to lorry firm because to petrol ni dollar mu. Yes them. Let's maintain the same energy. Let's maintain the same energy. Let's maintain it. We told you people, and you people thought like maybe like any pre-obio said you. But we were telling you that we know these people. We know them more than you do. You see? You guys have not seen anything yet. Next time, say you want them more. Say you want them more. Say these people that you are playing with. Unya ehunhwe. Me see hit baba. The way I never see kono. Bro. One shower on. Ghana this is a ton at the gentleman. This is a ton Ghana the gentleman. Ain't no, Mr. Me ton Ghana 2 CD. What about the Fiscabra? Because see dollar no target no 1 billion. According to pass so giant or can say dollar ne target no 3 cedis no owing friend mami moti your mind mu yen ye kire mu say nim nyansa sem ye ka kire mu say these people omutinye bi papa bi amfa mbo mind no enti no mema ne be daada and we hu youth bi na adwen of form te say angwa 2 cedi a ada o kanyansa kire no no di wachi ne ye u bedi mi echi ne ye. Have you been in this country more than me? I was born here. I've been in this country since I was born. Minko baby it's your name. JDM or throw for minimum no. We can't throw rough. That guy no. We can't throw pan JDM number 1 first class. No be also no you indecisive. What mean decide man who dey or better than or minor ye. All of a sudden, ato waira. Sam George on Twitter biom. But cannot cre 8 months pay. IMF I expose my government, you know. My government, you know. I am baller. IMF I expose my government, my government, you know. I am baller. I say ngura. Na wo Ghana ni na wo hwe me no. Tie. Me kan sama chira wo. Efiti ene. Ekopem 7 December 2028. Ma adwene 13 year adwuma. Akoto aba mafama Dr. Mahmoud Bawo me no be president no me boa wo. Ono pe betimi aboa wo. Na sa ngofo we mu. Etina kan ya akono nkomu gwa ne goto akotia no. O lucky. E man hwe ne sa wo you. All right, ebusua eyezu na wade so say eyeza. Efiti man dey call fuel, diesel, ene LPG, gas price no new one no enie. Now old price our going filling station na 12 cedis 88 pesos per liter petrol. This ano 13 cedis 57 pesos from Monday. Na diesel 14 cedis 30 pesos per liter. This ano 14 cedis 78 pesos per liter. LPG gas no na 14.5 kg 260 cedis. This ano from Monday 271.62 cedis. And to open off fill car for filling and any ochina. Oh, gas now fill your filling and any ochina. Now me car was say this year no ato is flopping. Now the DSTV for munim nyansa pa muye what pan set am jot kind month in a month so. That was for yesterday Monday and better be some person to petrol diesel mo person to low firm because this is the petrol price now control. You catch when I went here as I'm swording. These are the new prices. Now me car was $1 no. January. You see the way IMF has exposed the NDC government. IMF are exposing the NDC government on the highest level. We told you people that the IMF and a check say Ghana be kama. And to make catch say NDC for $1 pump into the system to make things look like omuye bibi no. E be catch them Muslim munjin but ende yɛn nyinaa yɛn mu sɛ afei deɛ ndc aban bɛka so mo gya so mo pump dollar into the system no dollar no ɛna rise no ɛyɛ zo no agye so sɛ ɛyɛ za ɛyɛ ntoro aban ɛyɛ aza aban ɛyɛ aban fon tantan ato forcing is now flopping ato is flopping yɛda mo ase.